Me hear people come out and them bash the artists them and bash the music and blame them for all the bad things that happening in society. So them a sing about guns and influence the youths them into badness and gangsterism. But I say, what about the people them who manufacturing the guns? What about the man who invent the gun in the first place? Where the eye them have to remember, you know, nothing is independent. One thing lead to another. So what about the man who invent the gun? Because if the man never invent the gun, there wouldn't be any gun for artists to sing about, to influence youths and youths based upon your argument, for them to become violent and causing havoc in a ionized society. So how me not hear on tackle the man them who invent the gun yet and who continue to manufacturing guns every day and also getting rich after it. How in a Jamaica have so much gangster, so much bad man and gunman? What influenced them initially to become like that? Till it passed down from generation to generation up to this generation. His movie back in the 70s come up. What used to run Jamaica? Western movie, secret agent movie. And when the man them back in them day they used to watch a movie there, they want to become like John Wayne and Two Gun Kid and Billy the Kid them. That's why them used to name themselves after the movie stars them. Every man want to get a gun and want to be like John Wayne and Billy the Kid them. This is how it started. But yet still all now, me not hear no blame Hollywood yet. I mean not hear no blame the people them who invent the gun and still manufacture them every day. But you know, blaming dancehall music and artists. Well, I have to tell the artists them this. The eye them need to stop contribute to these type of things. Stop to sing them gun tune. I not dictate to the one and tell no one where to sing still now. But I advise the eye them say, stop sing them gun song the virgin. And let it go. Stop sing them gun song there. Because when they hear them sing it, the artists and dancehall music I get the blame. And they not blame Hollywood. Them not blame the movie industry. They not blame the Nintendo or the PlayStation industry them that making violent games that the youths them play. We influence them into violence also. But them only blame dancehall music and dancehall artists for every bad things that happening in our society. And I don't think that is right. If you're gonna clean up from the root right across the board. That me have to tell you now. Me, Shocking Morris said that.